Shopify POS is a revolutionary way to sell in-store. Physical stores used to be considered a disadvantage when compared with e-commerce. Shopify POS changes all that. Shopify POS lets you take advantage of all of the features that made Shopify one of the most popular e-commerce platforms and make them available in your brick-and-mortar store. Let's take a closer look at Shopify POS and how it can transform the way you sell. Shopify POS is an app that allows you to use Shopify in your store. Shopify POS lets you connect your Shopify account and a hardware register to start selling straight away. The app does not require complex integrations nor expensive contracts. All you need is there. Shopify POS includes all the features that make Shopify a powerful e-commerce platform, such as inventory management, customer profiles, and automatic tax calculation. Get answers to your questions by clicking below. Shopify POS integrates seamlessly with other Shopify applications. Shopify Shipping allows you to easily add orders to your in-store queue so customers can pick them up as soon as they arrive. Shopify's built-in payment system makes it easy to keep track of all of your sales offline and online. Shopify POS can make brick-and-mortar stores' lives easier. This allows you to use all the Shopify features in your physical store. Shopify POS can help you streamline your operations, make it easier for customers, and increase sales. Shopify POS can help you take your store to new heights. Get a one-on-one demonstration by clicking on the link.